Hello viewers, today I want to send you how to draw the heptagon by using the basic commands of Low. At first, a heptagon consists of 7 sides. It is a closed figures. Now let's follow me. Already I opened MSW logo software. This is the command input box where I can click. So simply type the following comments. The first one is the FD space 100, then space RT space 360 divided by 7. Then press the enter key. Now the next, these same commands I can click here 7 times. So already first times I entered, then click, then enter, look at here, then enter, then second time, then enter, then third time, then again enter, then fourth time, then again enter, then fifth time, then again enter, then sixth time, enter. So how many times? Total 7 times the same commands. And finally I want to hide the turtle. So age T, then enter key. This way I can draw the heptagon. So look at here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Here is 7 sides, so it is a heptagon. Now I want to draw the same things by using the repeat command. So what can I do? At first clear the command, then clear screen, and also the commander window. Every time paste CS, then CT, then ST. CS for clear screen, CT for clear the commands from the commander window, and ST for show turtle. Then press the enter key. Now I want to draw the heptagon by using repeat commands. So REPEAT, how many times? 7 times. Now opening square bracket, press FD 100, then right turn 360 divided by how many sides? 7 sides. Then closing the square bracket and finally press the enter key. Only single commands, only single repeat commands, you can draw the heptagon. Now again I clean the screen. CS space CT space ST. Now I want to draw the octagon. How can I draw it? Simply FD space 100 space RT space 360 divided by 8. Then enter. I want to draw the octagon. An octagon consists of 8 sides closed figure. So that after RT I write here 360 divided by 8. You may enter 45 also, because when you can divide 360 with 8, it gives you the 45. So I want to draw it through the same comments another mode 7 times. Already one time I entered here, so click on 7 times. Number 1, then enter number 2, then enter number 3, then enter number 4, then enter number 5, then enter number 6, then enter number 7, then enter. So how many times? Total 8 times. So through this command I can easily draw it on your computer screen. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it is an octagon and I want to hide the turtle from the screen. So again I can press the HT command, then enter. Automatically the turtle hide from your screen. Now I want to clean it. CS space CT space ST. Again I want to draw the same commands. Again I want to draw the octagon by using the repeat commands. So what can I do? REPEAT. At first write the repeat. What is the name of the command? Repeat. How many times? 8 times. Because an octagon consists of 8 sides. It is a closed figure. Now opening square bracket, then FD space 100, then RT space 360 divided by 8. Then press the closing square bracket and simply press the enter key. Automatically the same octagon drawn on your computer screen. Again I want to hide the turtle from the screen, so simply HT, then enter. Now I want to clean the screen. CS space CT space ST. I want to draw the decagon. What can I do? I want to draw the decagon. So what can I do? Simply I type the same type of command 10 times. So FD space 100 space RT space 360 divided by 10, because a decagon consists the 10-sided figure. It is a closed figure. Press the enter key. How many times I want to enter it? 10 times. So already one time I press the command and simply click the 9 times more. Click on the next command, then enter. Click enter, 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 click enter. How many times? 10 times. Look at the figure. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So simply I want to draw it. The simple commands FD space 100, then RT 360 divided by 10. You may also after RT only write 36. I want to hide the turtle from the screen. Simply HT, then enter. I want to clean the screen. CA space CT space ST. Clean the screen. I want to draw the same things by using the repeat command. Only single line command. REPEAT space 10. Then opening square bracket. FD space 100. Then RT space 360 divided by 10. And press the closing square bracket. Now I want to press the enter key. Automatically the 10-sided closed figure decagon can be drawn on your computer screen. Now I want to hide the turtle from the screen, then press the HT, then enter key. I want to delete the same things, CS space city space ST. Dear students, please follow it. Thanks to all everyone.